All right, guys, so this is the package that I got in the mail the other day, and this is what it is. So this is oxygen absorbers. So if you know about canning, so canning is the process of applying heat to food that is sealed in a jar in order to destroy any microorganisms that can spoil food. During the canning process, air is driven from the jar and a vacuum is formed as the jar cools and seals. So when you get your oxygen absorbents, you want to put them in a jar to seal them so they will not try to just suck up all the air in the room. And this is just what they do. You put them in a jar and they will vacuum seal your jar. The oxygen absorbents I have, they are 500 cc's. This is enough, more than enough to seal these jars. So you can use these absorbents for rice, beans, and your dehydrated foods. But be cautioned, there is a list of products you should not use oxygen absorbents for, like sugar, flour, or sweets like raisins, or even nuts. To learn more about them, there is the website. Check it out. Find out more about oxygen absorbents to find out if they are helpful to you. This is my dehydrated vegetables, and I put one in here. They will last a long time. Within about 48 hours, you will hear that little ping like you hear during canning process. And that will let you know that all of the air in the jars is now, your jar is vacuum sealed and it is storage ready. So you can have it for a long time. Family, this is just another way of storing our food. There's so many ways that we could store food. This is the time that we find out more than one way we can store food. There is many. Let's investigate. Let's look for it. They're out there, and this is a great way. Find a sale, dehydrate your vegetables, and use oxygen absorbents, and they will last for years. So not only, just dehydrate. If you go and buy 25 pounds of beans, of rice that will last your family. Listen, beans and rice works when you're hungry. Yeah. But if you are interested in what you cannot use oxygen absorbents for, I will share with you if you would ask. I'm not going to put information up if you are not interested in it at all, okay? So I find it very helpful for me and my family, so this is great for me. Jaydah can dehydrate the vegetables. She could put them in a jar, and she could put an oxygen absorbent in the jar with it. Hey, she know how to do that, and I feel safe with her doing it. So this is great. In the next video on storing our foods, I will share blanching of our vegetables, whether it's from the garden or from the store, whether you grew it or purchased it. Freeze it, or if you're going to dehydrate it, I will share with you how to blanch your food. And do your research. Do your own research on this storing of your food, so you will know exactly how to store your food. These are some troubling times for us. So yeah, let's prepare ourselves and our families. All right, guys? All right, you all, let's get in my garden. All right. Ready. This is plantain rack number 1. Yeah, she's spreading those racks and dropping petals. It's a beautiful thing, family. Yeah. Wow. Plantain rack number 2. She's beautiful. But I'm just here to enjoy the journey, baby. I just want to enjoy the journey. Wow. So this is my sweet potatoes and the remnants of my moringa oleifera tree. Yeah, the big one. Yeah, I couldn't throw it away. But anyway, my sweet potatoes are doing really well, hanging out with the sugar cane. And a 4 o'clock plant. Yeah. I wanted to stop in just to share with you all some of the seeds I dropped. I dropped these seeds 2 days ago and they're showing up. Look at that. They're showing up. And these are my big 7. My big 7. They're doing really good. Very well. And there's some back there. Let's see if I can get over this basil. She always want me to see her, but I'm gonna move her. And of course, the giant reds, they look really good. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to talk to you all for a little bit. I'm dropping seeds over here. I've gotten all these containers cleared out. And this one, and this one, yeah. They all doing good, but I'm gonna put some of my little seedlings in. Child, I was running a lizard. Look what I did. I put my poles up there when they're not in use. But anyway, I knocked all the poles down trying to hit a lizard. But anyway, I'm gonna move it. So let me share something else I did. I did this on yesterday. This was yesterday. I was over here working, as you can see, I was working. So I got this container clean. This one, I need to add more soil to this one, and that's what that soil was for. I'm gonna add more to this one. Let's see. I'm gonna add more to that bucket bag, that tub, that foot tub. I don't know if you all remember that, a foot tub, but anyway. That's my my bay tree, my bay leaf tree. She's looking mighty gorgeous here this morning. Yeah. With a morning glory in her, in a lizard. He's in there. Oh, there he is right there. Yeah. Now this plant, guys, I want to tell you all about this plant, all right? First of all, I did something that was... Have you ever been talking to someone in your garden and you make a mistake and cut the wrong thing? Turf and I was talking about that not too long ago, where he cut his watermelon. Well, I cut this watermelon vine, and I hope I have some pictures of it, but if I do, I'm going to put it right here. Somewhere up here. Somewhere up here, I'm going to show you the pictures of this plant. It was full of fruit. I mean, full of pollinated fruit. And I cut that main stem. I cut it. And as soon as I heard the scissors go click, I said, damn! Oh my God. I ran him out my garden. Yeah. But I have more flowers. And the other stem that was with it is coming up. So all is not lost. But this is the weird thing about it is she's only in here in this little, oh, look at babies. Those are baby lizards. They're coming up now. But anyway, they're in this really small little container. This one here too. And she is just getting so big, but that's it. So I'm gonna let it grow, and hopefully they give me more melons, which they had on it. Just beautiful melons, absolutely gorgeous. But you know, what can you do? What can you do? So right here, I dropped some corn the other day. So yeah, we'll be looking for some corn in this container right here. Peaches and cream, of course, y'all. You know, yeah. And so I'm gonna clean out this Katrina brick little bed. It's just a little strip in there. I know you can't tell, but it's in there. It's in there. But I'm gonna clean it out. But let me share with you another area in my garden I did clean also. All right, guys. So this is one of my beds that I built, and I grew garlic and onions in this bed last spring. So I have my poles over here, and I'm going to build me a trellis in this bed, and I'm going to plant my sweet peas in this bed. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, it'll be up maybe tomorrow. Well, definitely by the weekend it will be up. Yep, it's gonna be a sweet pea bed, baby. Sweet peas. Here is my beautiful hibiscus. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that gorgeous? Hey, baby. Yeah. He's still blooming in all his heat. And they're in direct sun all day. All day. But they love it. They love it. So check out my olives. So I was harvesting some the other day, but what I've noticed is they're turning dark on the plant. So I'm gonna just let a few turn dark, and then I'll get the rest. Yeah. So let me go and water this baby. So maybe many of you may not remember that at the beginning of the year, from last fall, I had fava beans growing, and they were growing in this container. So this is about a 50-gallon container. It's really big. It's a big container. But anyway, I got it all clean, got soil, got it all amended. It's ready to roll. But what I'm gonna do is, and this is Jayda's circle. I just cleaned it out. I still have some zinnias growing in here. But anyway, I have these, I guess these milk crates or whatever kind of crates those are right there. But I'm gonna set them all around in this bed, and I'm gonna set this pot on those crates. Simply because when it rains, this is where I get a little puddle at. So I'm gonna set this container up high, so yeah, the water won't affect the plants inside. But one more thing, let's go over here. So I got this bed all cleaned, and I'm gonna add some soil in it, and I'm gonna amend it and get it all together for seeds. I'm probably gonna drop just a lot of brassicas in this bed. I need to do this side. If it looks terrible, but it'll be done so fast. It's really easy. But anyway, this is another thing I wanted to share with you all, just in case you all don't know. I never seen it, but here when I was cleaning out this bed, I found these, right? And these here, guys, these are garden lizard's eggs. That's what that is, garden lizard eggs. And now is the time you will see many of the little garden lizards. You see that thing moving? You see it? Right here. Oh man, I can see my finger in here somewhere. Okay, it's right there. It's moving right there. But anyway, those are the 3 eggs over there, right? And you see them hatching, these little baby lizards coming up everywhere, hatching. Y'all know I got to see what that is, right? That's 3 garden lizard eggs. That's what it is. The lizards, the females digs a hole in soil and she lay her eggs. Yeah, many times, just one, maybe even 2, but yep. And those will hatch real soon. But I'm gonna take them out this container. I'm gonna just put them in the soil somewhere because they got to get up out of here. All right, guys. All right, y'all. So I'm back home. Jody and I, Jaydah, we had a great evening out. But I just wanted to share with you all what I purchased. This is my little purchase I got from the Dollar Tree and Dollar General. So I purchased these little bowls from the Dollar Tree. You get 4 in a pack. I bought some more thank you cards because I love sending them with seeds. When I send seeds to you all, I love to send a little card just to say thank you and how much I appreciate you all for being a part of my channel. Some batteries, AA's and AAA's. I'll show you. Wait. So Jody bought this clock for me almost 2 years ago. I took it out of the box, y'all, right? It has the right time, and I put a AA battery in it. So I just wanted to have more. It just made me thought that I needed to get some more batteries. So that's the little clock. I'm gonna hang it somewhere in my kitchen. I mean, I forgot all about it. It was in a shelf on a box, in a box, and you know, hey, out of sight, out of mind. All right. So anyway, I purchased some gloves, just little yellow gloves from Dollar Tree. I bought some of these popsicle sticks that I'm gonna try to use for labels. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do something with them. I bought myself some of these kosher pickles from the Dollar Tree because I do love them. I like these. I bought some this here pasta sauce. Yeah, I bought that. I bought 2 mats. Wine is my favorite fruit. And there that is, right? I also purchased a tablecloth. Yeah, this is for outside. And I bought these chopping mats that I really like. I think I have 3 and you get 2 in a pack. This is a little cast iron skillet. It's really heavy. Of course it's cast iron, right? And it have the grill marks in it, right? It says pre-seasoned cast iron grill pan. It's really nice, and it was $10 at Dollar General. Some pink Himalayan salt from the Dollar Tree, some grits, which I'm gonna eat some right now, and some pasta that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I purchased one more thing. Wait a minute now. All right, so I purchased this wine, Spring Creek. This is some pink Moscato, and this one is sweet red, and they were $3.50 each. Now, I've tasted this one before, and it's nice. I like it, but I haven't tasted this one, this pink Moscato from Spring Creek. We'll see. Anyway, guys, that's my little haul from Dollar Tree and Dollar General. Yeah, that's it. All right, guys, I'm gonna get in here and fix myself something to eat because I'm hungry. All right, y'all.